Should I intermittent fast every day?
My first question for you is, how long have you been intermittent fasting? I would encourage a 12-hour intermittent fast every day.
Yeah.
Because it gives the body some time to detoxify. A lot of people will, I can remember times where I would go to bed, I would wake up in the middle of the night, have a snack.
A 12-12
go to bed.
Yeah, I know. A 12-12 doesn't even really feel like intermittent fasting to me.
But in the beginning, it is.
Yeah.
In the beginning, it is.
You're getting in control of your snacking.
Yes. So I would encourage a 12-hour intermittent fast every day. And then it's up to you. Start pushing the boundaries. Start playing with it. Can you get to 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours? You get to 16 hours and it's comfortable. Why not do it every day?
There is nothing that says that you have to eat 3 times a day. I mean, that's old wisdom, right?
Yes.
Eat 3 meals a day and have a snack in between so that, you don't have a blood sugar crash and blah, blah, blah. I mean, you can find ads back to the 20s about make sure your kids have enough sugar.
For energy. Yeah.
So there's nothing that says you have to do that. What I find, and I think a lot of people find feels very natural, is to eat twice a day. Some people feel really good just eating once a day. We would just encourage you to back up from when you go to bed as much as you can. I would say if it's
so if you're going to bed at 9, make sure you're done eating by 6.
Yeah.
And that helps improve your sleep quality. And it really does.
So, and if you're intermittent fasting every day, like if you're doing 16/8s, you could even try throwing in a full fasting day. Try throwing in a 36-hour somewhere in there, and just play with it.
So 36 hours sounds scary, and it's not easy. We had to deal with hunger around our normal eating times. But 36 hours is really just, okay, I'm done eating at 6 p.m., I'm not going to eat the next day, but I'm going to eat when I wake up. So 16 hours of that is sleep.
Right.
And for those of you who get to sleep more than 8 hours a night, maybe even more of that is sleep.
Yeah.